Alright, you guys, sit rep. The tail end of the storm, still snowing. As you can tell, we got a monster amount of snow. I'm on my second plow. My first one broke. Had to go get my backup plow. So it'd be nice if the storm would end. But still plugging at it. They're calling for snow pretty much all the way up until tomorrow morning. So we'll probably plow this. As you can tell, we're just pretty much just cleaning up right now. But you can tell by the piles, by the mailboxes. I mean, it's just unbelievable amount of snow. And I have all I can do to stack it. But that's pretty much it. I was going to do more videos, but they wouldn't have done any good because there was near whiteout conditions. I couldn't see, and I really didn't want to risk taking a video, you know, during those kind of conditions. But you know, it's kind of fairly light snow now, and you can actually see where you're going. So I figure I'd make a quick video before I sign off. So out of my next street, there's the other loader. We use 2 loaders on this route and a dump truck with a plow and a service truck with just a 11-foot extendable Fisher minute mount. Nothing too fancy. He's right up there. He's doing intersections for us. It's nice having pickup on the route because, you know, if anything breaks, you got tools, you got fuel, you got everything right there. The wind is just gusting right now. Absolutely gusting. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Signing off.